Good day everyone, this is Pleated Maxi and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to make this box pleated skirt. You can see how lovely it's been from the mannequin, and you can make this in less than 30 minutes. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please share, like and subscribe. And if you have any question on this, you can write it in the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you. The measurement I'll be using is the half length, I mean the waist rather, is 30 inches. Then the hip is 40. Then I will determine the hip on 9 inches. That's from the waist to the hip length is 9 inches. The length of the skirt is 25 because I'll be putting 3 inches band. So because I want it to start at the navel, so I'll be putting 3 inches band for the skirt. So what I'll do now is I'll measure the length of my skirt, which is 25 inches. I'll measure 25 inches. Then I will add 2 inches for seam allowance. I'm going to use hemming gum for the down part because it's scuba fabric. So now what I will do now is I will multiply the waist by 3. That's 30 times 3. That will give me 90 inches because it's going to be kissing pleat and I want it to be very big. The kissing to be very big. So now I'll just cut out my fabric band. I said I'll be using 3 inches for the band. So now I measured 6 inches here. So I'm going to fold it into 2, like so. Then the length I used, the measurement is 30 inches for the waist. It's 30. So I added zipper allowance to it. So I used, this is 30. I added 1.5 inch for the zipper allowance, but because it is scuba material, I don't really need it because it's stretchy a bit. So I may not really need the zipper allowance, but if you are using another fabric, aside from stretchy fabric, you will have to add zipper allowance to it. So that's for that. So I will notch the middle. Then the next thing I will do is I will notch where I want the pleat to be. So there's going to be one kissing pleat here. I'm going to add another 4 inches. I'm going to put pleat there. Let me fold the fabric into 2 so it will be very easy for me. There's going to be one pleat here on 4 inches. That will be the dart. But in case of this skirt, there's not going to be that. So I'll put kissing pleat here as well. So I'll come to the back side. I said I added 1.5 inch for the zipper allowance for both sides. So now from that zipper allowance, I'll measure another 4 inch here. So here too I will notch it for pleats. So this is how I'm going to go about it. My fabric, the length of it is not up to 90, so I'm going to join. I cut like twice of it. So the first thing I'll do is I will sew from this point. First thing is I'll fold my band. Then the middle of this 90 inches, I'll pin it to the middle of this one as well. The middle of the band. Then the next thing is I'll come to this side. I'll pin this side to this as well. I mean the edge, both edges pin together. Then the remaining fabric, I notch 4 inches here. I'll go in by 2 inches. You can see the way I'm doing it. 2 inches for this. 2 inches. I'll ensure that it meets at this notch part. So the 2 inches, I'll pin it down. Then I will do for this too, the 2 inches, and I will ensure that they really kiss. We said it's kissing pleats, they are kissing each other. So I will ensure they are very close, very no distance between the two at all. Then I will pin it down. Then for this side too, I'll do 2 2. This is how I will do for all the notched parts. After pinning everything down, then I will now stitch it on my machine. Joining this to the band, I will still weave this part. So I've gone ahead to fixing, I mean, to attach my hemming gum. You know, I said I'm going to use hemming gum for the down part. I've done that. So, and I ironed it out because it's full, but that's why it's still coming back to, it's still open. So you can see I've ironed everything. So, but in case you are using another fabric from this, if you are using like Ankara fabric and you want to put your lining inside, then after doing this, just sew the lining so that this side will still be lit. Just sew the lining down from this side. If you are talking about, you sew the lining from here to the other side. So now what I want to do now, I want to lock this place, then fix my zip.